Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on and use your XML files in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So before the video, I actually imported some land XML files, and if you want to know how to do that, I'll just link to the video in the top right corner. But what I'm going to do to turn on, because if you look at my map screen here, there is no information on it, and I want to bring in my land XML. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to head to the top here and click on my Surface Manager, and you can see here that I have a couple different XML options. So I'm going to choose the first one here, and you can see if I go back to my map screen and close out of this menu, you can see that Apron C has this nice laid out grid on it with some information and line work that I can work off of. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Surface Manager and I'm going to turn on that second XML surface as well. So I'm going to check that box, and you can see here that I now have some information that I can stake to and build off of inside of MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. But for now, that is everything in today's video. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or anything you've seen on this YouTube channel or in the surveying space in general, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.